Hello, good evening everyone. My name is Sahil and welcome to the channel. So we have started a series of technical analysis where we are analyzing various stocks and indexes on the basis of some technical chart patterns and some derivative data. So continuing the series, the next stock that we are analyzing as of today, 7th of October, the time is 9:48 p.m. is Prism Johnson Limited, formerly known as Prism Cement Limited. So let's just without wasting any time move to the analysis. Yes, so as you all can see on your screens, this is investing.com, the source I am using to analyze the Prism Johnson India Limited stock. So this is the daily chart pattern of the stock, and the stock today on 7th of October gave a close at the levels of 63.20, and we expect that the stock prices can show some good upside in the coming trading sessions. If you see the charts, since uh, uh, the high of 2nd of March, the stock has crossed that high again on today after a long consolidation, and we expect that now the stock can show some good upside in the prices. Also, if you look at the charts, the stock on 27th of August tried to get a breakout out of this trend line but couldn't do so, and again went into a consolidation phase. However, taking a support exactly at its 200 demo, the stock again retested the levels, and again on 16th of September uh, couldn't break this trend line, and again went into a consolidation phase. And now again today on 7th of October, the stock has successfully crossed these levels of 62.22, and we expect that the stock prices now can show some good upside in the prices. Also, if you see this green line, this is the 50 DMA level of the line, and this red line, this is the 200 DMA level of the line, and now 50 DMA level of the line is uh, trading above the 200 DMA level of the line and has given a positive crossover. And whenever this positive crossover happens, this is known as a golden crossover, and this is something bullish, something positive for a stock, and usually the stock prices show good upside in the prices. Also, let me just zoom in a bit for you all. Yes, if you see the volumes were quite good today. The volumes were above the average volume, and thus if the volume supports in the coming trading sessions, we can see a good upside in the prices. Also, if you look at this RSI, the RSI is now at 68.84, which is close of up to 70, which is considered an overbought zone, but it is okay. And also, if you look at this MACD indicator, now the blue line has given a positive crossover the red line, and this is something good for a stock, something positive. And all in all, on the daily chart pattern, all the indicators are suggesting that the stock prices can show some good upside. So let's just also analyze it through weekly charts also. Yes, so if you look at this weekly charts, the stock after 2nd of March on weekly charts now has given a positive crossover above those levels, above uh, and now we can expect a good upside. Also, if you see, the stock is now trading over its 50 WMA, which is something good for a stock. And now if you see, the MACD is also showing a positive crossover on the weekly charts also, and RSI is also at the good levels of 62.56. So all in all, looking at the daily chart pattern and the weekly chart pattern, all indicators are suggesting that the stock prices can show some good upside in the prices of Prism Johnson India Limited. So yes, if someone is looking to invest in Prism Johnson India Limited stock, can do so with a short-term target one of 64.20, second short-term target of 65.40, third short term target of 66.80 while keeping a stop loss at the levels of 61.62. And also, if someone is looking to invest in Prism Johnson India Limited stock positionally, she can do with positional targets of 69.90 while keeping a stop loss at the levels of 59.40. And also, if you see any downside in the prices of Prince Johnson Limited India stock, it should be considered as an opportunity to enter. And before ending this video, there is a disclaimer here that the above recommendation and analysis is only for the educational purpose. Do not consider it as a buy or sell call. Thank you for watching the video.